Hello, thank you for your interest in this new product from IDTechEx, which is the Materials for Electric Vehicle Battery Packs and Cells Scenario Forecasting Tool for 2021 through to 2031. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick overview of what you can find in this new product, how this might be beneficial for yourselves, and also a little bit about how it works. So this product is in the form of an Excel worksheet, and what you can see here is the front cover page, as well as all the different tabs that will be included in this document. Now, the idea is that you will be able to use this tool to see all of our baseline assumptions behind material intensities for battery cells and battery packs for both the battery electric vehicles and the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle market, specifically focusing on cars. Now, as well as this, you'll be able to see our forecast through to the next 10 years, as well as entering your own forecast to see what impact that has on various different material intensities. So what you can see in here is the different materials that are actually forecast within this report, as well as a brief description of some of their properties. And you'll also see a full list of this on our website for the product. We also have an introduction which gives our research methodology, as well as a description of each of the different sheets, what they do, as well as each of the different variables and what these do as well. But obviously I think sometimes a visual learning experience is better. So if we get through to that, I should also mention that throughout this demonstration you will see a lot of blanked out values, and a lot of the forecasts have been entered with dummy values just for the sample, so you won't see our forecasts in this presentation. So what you can see here is the results table. So this is a summary of all your calculations in terms of the battery cell materials as well as the battery pack materials. Now you can then also take these charts and copy these out for your own use elsewhere, and of course these will normally have the full axes and data sets and legends included. So what you can do is you can come into here and see the IDTechEx forecast. So by default, these will be set to our forecast values for unit sales, as well as the battery capacity of electric vehicles. Again, like I said, these have obviously been replaced with dummy values just for the demonstration. But you can restore our original values using the Restore Values buttons. And you can also calculate different forecasts using a CAGR value. And you can see how that updates. Or you could enter your own forecasts and see what effect this has on these various different materials. And again, this will update here, but also update in the results tables. You will also get to see all of our assumptions around cell calculations. So whether this be the cathode chemistry market share for battery electrics and plug-in hybrids, or whether this is the anode type, then the various different material intensities that we assume for our forecasts, and this is what is multiplied by the base variable tab to get your final results. And we do this for both the cells and all of the battery pack materials as well. So you'll be able to see all of our numerical assumptions around this. And then finally, the last tool that I'm going to show you here is essentially a tool for forecasting different scenarios for each material. So at the moment I have this for aluminium used within the battery pack, and you can see at the top here we have our forecast from the base variables, and then you can either set a simple multiplier, for instance in this case let's say 5 times the moderate scenario, and you'll see how that updates. Or you can just enter these values in manually from whatever scenarios you would like for battery electric and plug-in hybrid vehicles, and then this will automatically multiply through all of our assumptions to give you the material demand in tons for this specific material. And then this can be changed from here. So for instance, you may be more interested in the requirements for nickel, in which case you could select that, and you can see the output here and the changes. And then if I was to manually enter a different value here, then you would see that jump up, for instance, as an example there. So hopefully this has been a good introduction to just what this product does, what this could be used for. And I think that this is a really good way of getting to see all of our numerical assumptions behind the scenes of this product. If you were more interested in the overall technologies or the strategies and market analysis that goes into some of the numerical assumptions, you could also see our latest report on the materials for electric vehicle battery cells and packs 2021 to 2031, which is a very complementary addition to this spreadsheet tool. So thank you very much for listening. Please do get in contact if you have more questions. You'll see a live chat function on this website. Thank you very much.